Find a position where your body can be still. Sit upright if you can. Let your hands rest. Close your eyes. You are here before the day begins. Before the demands arrive. Before the noise. This time belongs to you. Breathe in slowly. And out. Let the breath settle. There is nothing to do yet. Nowhere to be. Just this moment, before all others. Notice the weight of your body. The points where you meet the chair or the floor. You are grounded here. Present. Real. Breathe in. And out slowly. Let your shoulders drop. They are holding more than they need to. Release that. Let your jaw unclench. Your hands open. Your chest soften. You will meet this day. All of it. The work, the people, the problems, the small frictions and the larger ones. You cannot know what is coming. But you can decide, right now, who meets it. That is what this morning is for. Marcus Aurelius wrote each morning that the day ahead would bring difficulty. Not as a warning. As a preparation. He did not begin each day expecting ease. He began each day having already accepted that it would require something of him. This is what it means to begin with intention. Breathe in. And out. Ask yourself now, quietly, one question. Not what you want from today. Ask what today requires of you. There is a difference. Wanting from the day makes you passive. Waiting for conditions to align. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting for ease. Asking what is required makes you active. You become the one who shows up regardless. Feel the distinction settle into your body. The difference between the person who waits and the person who decides. You are deciding now. Breathe in slowly. And out. Think of one thing today that is fully within your control. One thing that depends entirely on your effort, your attention, your choice. Not the outcome. The effort. Hold it in your mind. This is your standard for the day. Not a goal to chase. A standard to hold. Standards are different from goals. Goals exist in the future. Standards exist right now, in how you act in the next 5 minutes, the next conversation, the next decision. Who do you intend to be in those moments? Breathe in. And out. Let that intention take shape without forcing it. You are not programming yourself. You are remembering something you already know. You know how to work. You know how to focus. You know how to meet difficulty without flinching. You have done it before. The day will bring things that try to pull you away from this. Small irritations. Larger frustrations. People who do not act the way you think they should. Events that do not go the way you planned. None of that changes your standard. You meet it regardless. Breathe in. And out. Let this settle now. No more words are needed. Just the quiet before the day begins. You are ready. Not because the day will be easy. Because you have decided how to meet it. When you are ready, bring your attention back to the room. Take one full breath in. And out. Open your eyes. The day begins now.